Hello there guys, and welcome to a review of this, whoa man, of this Gateway computer. This Gateway has got specs of the uninevitable 800 MHz Intel C1 processor with a whopping 0 GB of RAM, PC 100 that is, if it did have RAM, and a 40 GB hard drive that's being replaced with 160 GB without Windows from a Skybox. So yes, so let's get started on tearing this thing. So I'm gonna be basically taking this apart for parts. It's not really worth much, but it's a decent build. So yeah, let's get started. So let's get into this thing, yeah. So I'm gonna unscrew the power supply. I think this computer's been technically blown up. So this is gonna be recycled for basically it's worth nothing. Yeah, so it's gonna be took apart. Just for the viewing of you guys, etc. So I'm doing this from the side view. Hello. Yeah. Can I fit this in? My electric screwdriver's dead. There's no point using the older one. Right, so now I've got the power supply. I just throw it over the edge because I want to, and it just comes out because it's a very simple design, if you could see that. So I'm going to stick that to the side. So now I have a couple of parcel cables. I've already undone all that because it's a mess to get apart. So I'll take these out, throw these to the side. Okay. So what I've got here is 2 RAM slots and Intel C1 800 MHz processor, as said before. I'm just gonna unplug. Actually, I'll keep that plugged in. That's it. I'm gonna strip this down. Right, I'm doing this one here. Okay, so I just went quiet there. Now I'll undo all the screws. The screws are fairly tight. You know, I wouldn't trust them with a bomb underneath. But, you know, if it falls, the bomb explodes. Type. Ooh, that's nice. Hidden stick of RAM. Never knew this wasn't here. Never knew it came with RAM. That's nice. I don't know, I possibly got to one. I'm gonna pick up all these screws. I don't really care if I give this an electrostatic shock because I've just rage. So I'm just hanging them overboard off the side, as you do. Let's just check if it's still in frame. Yeah, it's still fairly in frame. Okay. So now I'm gonna have to disconnect the motherboard. Well, yeah, doing this isn't the most annoying part. Why don't they just have one big brick? At least clearly label them. So up from the heatsink, drop it down and flip it. to the side where this one screw holding it in, and there'll be another tear down as well of another PC. Basically they're getting tore down for parts. Parts aren't even necessary. Okay, so I've just slots out. This is a DVD ROM, read-only memory. It says that in my school. Yeah. I'm in set 3 for IT. I have like 8 sets or something. But I don't actually know anyone in the higher sets. So yeah. So in this PC now is barely anything. The last few things to take out is the not the IO, what they called? I'm just gonna call them backplates. The bit where like the graphics card and ETC goes in. Okay, so the side bits now come out like that. Now, this little bit here, I don't see the point of that, because this goes in here, like so, but this gets placed down, that covers the back, so it's kind of like that, but yeah. Basically a whole computer to tear down. It's a Gateway NATX tower, 240 volts. Manufacture date 24th of August 1999. So that is 25 days younger than me. LOL. This can run, like, could run XP before basically the motherboard burns out. Power supply still works, burns out. I think it may explode. I think I've just basically worn out the video now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick all the screws together. Like so. And that's basically it for this video. For watching now, guys. See you all later in another video of a teardown of a